Welcome to this video on Cybersecurity full course. In this full course, we will learn all about one of the most popular body of technologies today, that is cybersecurity. According to Forbes, the global cybersecurity market is currently worth $173 billion in 2020, and it is predicted to reach $270 billion by 2026. Isn't that a whopping number? That shows the prominence cybersecurity holds in today's world. So without further ado, let's get started with this full course video on cybersecurity. Here we will understand cybersecurity from scratch and also look into ethical hacking. We'll begin this full course video with different types of cyber attacks, the importance of cybersecurity and what cybersecurity is all about. After this, we will look into the concept of ethical hacking along with a hands-on demo for each type of cyber attack. Following this, you will be briefed about the various cybersecurity certifications available today and the career prospect in this field. We will also look at the roles and responsibilities of a certified ethical hacker and how you can become one. We will then conclude this video by briefing you all about the world-renowned CISSP certification. For this training, with me I have our experienced cybersecurity specialist Bipin, and together we will take you through the various topics in cybersecurity. All of this in under 9 hours. So let's start off with an interesting video on cybersecurity.